Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be another one on the 4Runner. A quick and easy install today. We're going to do the WeatherTech Rain Guards on this car. Not everyone's a fan of the Rain Guards, but I personally am, so I do want to install them on this car. If you are looking at doing the Rain Guards yourself and are not sure how to install them, this will be like a how-to or a guide video on how to do that. They're pretty simple, so this video shouldn't take too long. But real quickly, I'm just kind of showing you guys what the car looks like without the Rain Guards. So let's get right into the install video here. Let's go open the box, see what comes in the box, and we'll get to it. Okay, so let's just jump right into this unboxing here. Get her opened up. So this is going to be the front here. And then we got the rear right here. So let me just get everything out. They do come with some instructions on how to install this. For the most part, it's pretty simple. I'll just kind of read through it, make sure I'm not missing any critical steps. Then I'll kind of just guide you guys through it in the video. But let's take a closer look at the actual rain guards here. So these are the smoked versions, so they're the dark ones. These rears, they come with some 3M tape that goes around here. So when you stick it into the glass channel there, it will help kind of secure it so it doesn't go flying out. What I'm gonna do before I forget, just take off any stickers that are on it. And there's this sticker. What does this say? This is just telling you to read the instructions to make sure you're installing it correctly. We will do that here in a second. Just peel everything off here, and that one as well. So that's basically everything that comes in the box there. Should be pretty simple to get it installed. For those of you wondering how much I paid for these, I believe they were about $110 for my car, which is the 2007 4Runner. Other cars are gonna vary. I've seen them go from 90 bucks to like 180 bucks. So it really depends what car you have. But for mine, about 110, which I think is a pretty good deal because these are good rain guards. It's a good company, made of high quality material. As you can see, they're not like super flimsy or anything, so they are of high quality. They got their nice, WeatherTech labeling there. All right, so that's gonna be everything that's in the box pretty much. It's everything you're gonna need. Let's go ahead and get back into the garage. We're gonna prep the vehicle for getting these installed, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to actually put them on. All right, so first things first, let's get this window rolled down. In the instructions, it just says roll it halfway, but I'm just gonna do it all the way. So let's begin with doing the front driver's side rain guard. Now this one, the fronts don't have any adhesive, any of that 3M tape on it, so you don't necessarily have to clean, the edges here, but I'm gonna do it anyways, just in case there's some debris in there, just because I want to. So I'm gonna get some isopropyl alcohol, just get a little napkin, and I'm just gonna try to clean up everywhere where the rain guard is gonna sit inside of it. Just look how dirty that is, so I would recommend doing it also. I so happen to have this, bottle opener nearby, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of wrap it like this, just to kind of get something to shove up inside of here. Just kind of like this. See, pretty dirty. So just do your best here to kind of clean this up. I'm gonna go get the driver's side rain guard, and we're gonna get this thing installed. So per the instructions, it tells you that you want to get this edge in first. This is towards the front of the vehicle on the driver's side. Then we're gonna get the rear end in as well, right up here. And then the middle, we have to kind of work it in by bowing it in. I guess bowing it towards us and then trying to kind of slide it into the channel here. So let's do that. Let's get this part in right here. You can see that there's a little gap right here. It's that forward gap. That's where you want to put the deflector into. Okay, and as you can see, there's gonna be quite some bending needed to kind of get this in here. So do your best to get it to fit. All right, so you just gotta kind of bow this out, hold it over here as well. Just kind of get it to slide in. Okay, so that's kind of what you're gonna have once you get this part and this part in. Now we gotta work towards getting this part to seat underneath as well. So let's kind of work this slowly. All right, so that's pretty much installed right here. It takes a little bit of, forcing it in there, but it's really not too bad. Given how tight of a fit it is, this thing is not going anywhere. The rears, we're gonna have to see how that holds up. All right, so once you work it inside of the channel here, just make sure everything is fully seated where you want it to be. The next step is going to be to roll up the window, and then you want it to be rolled up for 12 hours at a minimum, so you don't want to roll them down just until tomorrow pretty much. Now when you go to roll up this window, do it in small increments, making sure everything closes thoroughly without damaging anything. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. But anyways, let's move on to the rear now. All right, so let's get this window rolled down as well. So pretty much the same thing. Let's get this all cleaned out as much as we can. This one you really do want to make sure you get cleaned because it does have the 3M adhesive that goes inside that helps hold it in place. So do a thorough job at cleaning this one up. All right, so I'm going to work on getting this all cleaned up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that is pretty clean right there. Go get the rain guard here for the back, and then let's get it installed. And if you're not sure which one goes where, just kind of put them in here, and you'll kind of see which one lines up better. You can see this one will line up really good inside of here. If I grab the other one, you'll see it's kind of off with this angle here. So this is the correct one right here for this side. So what we're gonna do first is take off the 3M tape on each side here and here. We're gonna put the sides in, and then when we're ready to kind of bow it out, we're gonna take the top off right here. Kind of peel them off just a little bit on both sides. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this off now. Just kind of slide it in. Try to push down on this so the adhesive doesn't stick until it's in position. All right, so once you got it in position, just kind of give it pressure on the edges, like towards this way, to get that adhesive to kind of stick to all that rubber that's over here. Now let's go ahead and roll the rear window up, so that way it gives some pressure going this way, and it'll help with the adhesive sticking. And again, you want to do it in slow increments. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. This is gonna be the driver's side here. Let's go look at the passenger side real quick. And that's the passenger side here. Keep in mind, you guys, I am gonna be tinting these windows. I already bought the film that I'm gonna be doing. It's gonna be the ceramic film. I'll do a video of me, installing the tints. They're already pre-cut, so it should be pretty simple. And it's gonna look a lot nicer once I have the tints installed on here as well. Let's go ahead and just post up the camera. Let's go ahead and quickly just install the passenger side. I'm not really gonna show you guys the step-by-step. I'm just gonna do a time-lapse kind of video of me installing it, since you guys kind of understand the procedure already. It's the same exact thing that we just did on the driver's side. So let's get that installed as well. That's pretty much what it looks like here. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna get this car pulled up outside, show you guys a clip of it out there where I have a little bit more room to record. That is gonna be it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the 4Runner content, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything specific or in particular for the 4Runner. I do still plan on making some Subaru content as well, so stay tuned for that. I do have some ideas for the STI, so I do want to do some content for that here soon. But this is going to be pretty much it for this video. I appreciate you guys all for watching. I'm going to go ahead and roll that clip of the car outside, and then I'll see you guys in my next video.